Hi, and welcome to the short video that explains the difference between projects and products. I'm Catherine Ellis, a product manager with Clarity. Many of our customers often confuse these terms and use them interchangeably. The easiest way to understand the difference between them is to think of a project as a marathon and a digital product as a league sport. With a marathon, you decide to run the race, train for it, gather supporters who encourage you, and then when the big day comes, you execute. When it's over, you declare victory. You and your extended team go on to work on other things. Sure, you may choose to run another race, but that decision is relatively independent of this one, and the way you plan and execute for each event is to treat it as a separate event. Think of any significant project you've been a part of, and this metaphor will probably hold true. Let's now examine the structure of league sports. When it comes to leagues, we start with the knowledge that it will be played over multiple seasons. Your planning does not involve only one match or even one season. You are planning for multiple seasons. Similarly, when you plan for products, you don't just focus on the next release. You plan for what the value can be delivered over multiple releases. When you have a team in the league, you need to make sure your fans stay engaged every season. Hence, you need to deliver some kind of incremental success for them. As the season progresses, the game plan may change because you've got injuries that disrupt your team. You need to develop a new plan to deliver maximum results with the limited resources you have. Before the season is over, you already begin preparations for next season and work hard to ensure both fans and players stay engaged throughout the off-season. Similarly, when it comes to products, you need to ensure you engage with customers very frequently. You focus on delivering significant value incrementally versus doing one blockbuster release. You begin executing the plan for the next release even before you've completed your current release. You also have programs that connect you to customers and integrate their feedback into your future releases. Now that you understand the difference between a project and a product, let's see how to define a product explicitly. A product is a sustained asset that has an indeterminate life. Some products may be short-lived, while others may outlive expectations. However, most of the time you don't know how long the lifespan will be when you begin. These investment vehicles can last for years or even decades. Another characteristic of a product is that it delivers something of value articulated in reasonable business terms. A product typically receives direct funding in the form of money or people through some channel. Let's understand this in greater detail by reviewing how product managers in Hedmoral Bank have started defining products that they offer to their customers. They are leveraging the custom investment functionality in Clarity to ensure they can create and work with investment items that are relevant to Hedmoral. The first digital product they have focused on is digital banking. Product managers have used the digital banking investment item to capture and track information on market segmentation, the customer journey, unique product value, planned cost and benefits, and other performance indicators. Stakeholders can now access all this information at a single glance in Clarity. After defining the product management team now starts reviewing all of Hedmoral's investments aligned with this product. They also begin examining relationships between these investments to organize them appropriately. These relationships are captured by creating a hierarchy in Clarity. Let's take a sneak peek at the hierarchy for the digital banking product. We will learn how to create a hierarchy in the upcoming videos. The product management team also defines a release schedule for various investments that are part of a digital product management application. This plan will be shared with the executive team so they can approve it. Let's take a sneak peek at the roadmap for the digital banking application. We will learn more about how they created roadmaps in the upcoming video. I'm sure you now understand the difference between projects and products. You have also got a behind-the-scenes tour of how the product management team at Head Moral plans to transform the bank. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will see how organizational changes can support digital product management initiatives. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page.